Hallo, willkommen zur Exzellent Sprachschule. Ich bin Sunil Virani und euer Deutschunterrichter. Hello, welcome to Excellent Language Institute. I am Sunil Virani and your German tutor. So, in this video, we are going to learn 4 new alphabets in German language. In German language, total there are 30 alphabets. We have already learned 26 alphabet in earlier video. Okay, now let's focus on the 4 new alphabets. See, from these 4 new alphabets, 3 alphabets are with umlaut and the last alphabet is esset. See, what is umlaut? Above this alphabet A, there are 2 points. Here above O, there are 2 points, and above U, there are 2 points. See, these points, we are going to call it as umlaut. So, we can say A with 2 points, right? A with 2 points, O with 2 points, and U like U with 2 points, right? So, we can say A with 2 points. So with in German language we call it as mit. So we can say A is A, mit, umlaut, A with points. Here O like O, mit, umlaut, O with points. U mit, umlaut, U like U with points. And the last one is esset. See, this here is the identity of the alphabet. All of these are identity of the alphabet. Okay, see, these are identity of the alphabet, but pronunciation is different. Pronunciation is E, A. So for the alphabet A mit umlaut, pronunciation is A. Let's have one example for A mit umlaut. See, Erstin. See, A mit umlaut is A, R, Z is S, then TIN will be tin. So overall it will be Erstin. So Erstin means doctor, and here we are talking about female doctor. If we will talk about male doctor, it will be Arzt. So Arzt is male doctor, Erstin is female doctor. Now let's have another example. Änderung. A like A mit umlaut is A, no is like no, DE. See here we are skipping pronunciation of E as exception. In Gujarati or Hindi, exception we are going to call it as upward. So änderung. So and rung. So overall it is änderung. So änderung means change. So Erstin, änderung. So A mit umlaut is identity of this alphabet. Pronunciation is A, like A here. Now let's talk about O mit umlaut. Pronunciation is yo. So pronunciation is yo. Now let's have example. So this is yol. So it means in English oil. See, like O mit umlaut is yo. See, we have written here yo, right? But in reality the pronunciation is not like complete yo, like it is not yo, it is just like yo. So this is yol. Now let's have another example. See, O mit umlaut we have wrote here yo, ko no mi, yo ko no mi. Okay, so here it is economy. See, IE we are going to pronounce it as E. So economy. In English language it is economy. Now let's talk about U mit umlaut. Pronunciation is U. We have wrote here U, but pronunciation like Y is not that much. Okay, here as well Y is, we will not pronounce completely Y in both of these. This will be yo, and this will be U. Okay, so here T plus U umlaut, like U mit umlaut, so it will be tur. Tür. Tür means door. Okay, see here R we are pronouncing really less. We cannot say that R is silent here, but pronunciation of R will be really less. So pronunciation is Tür. Tür. It means door. Let's take another example. See, Uber. 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 Whenever er will come at the end of the word, then we are pronouncing it as er. So Uber. Okay, Uber. It means about. Uber. It means about. Now let's talk about last alphabet in German language, esset we can say. Pronunciation is like double S, right? Identity of the alphabet is esset. Pronunciation is s, like s. Let's have one example here. See, Spaß. So at the end we are saying like that, right? Spaß. So Spaß means fun. Spaß means fun. Another example, Straße. See here we are pronouncing S as sh. Okay, that's why sh pa s. Spaß. Here sh tra tra will be like tra s. See, e is coming at the end. That's why we are going to pronounce it as a. So Straße means street. See, here we have talked about that e is at the end. We are going to pronounce like a at the end. Straße. Okay, Straße. So here er at the end, it means we are going to pronounce like okay. Uber. It means now, like, see, this is a mit umlaut, o mit umlaut, u mit umlaut, esset, a, yo, u, s, right? So we have completed like all the 30 alphabets now. Now we should learn rules for pronunciation. Like if e is at the end, then we will pronounce it as a, like er at the end, then or. There are many pronunciation rules in German language. Now let's learn it.